Hey friends, if you encounter audio quality drop while gaming on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you have to do first of all. Click on this system tray here, right click on the speaker button, go to settings, scroll down, select more sound settings, right click on headphones, select properties, go to enhancements and check this box which says disable all enhancements, click on apply and then on OK, click on OK once again. So you sorted for a while. The next solution is to search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list to audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. Right click on the third one and update the drivers. Other than this, you can run the audio troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab and then scroll down and select troubleshoot in the right pane, other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.